the AR love cough, the berita love burp. Murder me, murder boy. 160.
Pause. What the BS is like today? The man said the what? The AR love cough and the berita love burp. Bomba clot. Yo, the AR love cough. No rascal, see that? The AR love cough and the berita love burp. The AR love cough and the berita love burp. The AR love cough and the berita love burp. People not here for to deal with it right now. Who not here to listen for now put 14 years right now. Who not see some Fari done people. Murder boy.
Hey Stacy, we there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy your mouth. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team jump.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I will back in effect with another video for you guys. Right now, we started, yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Clash Hype Man. The Clash Hype Man. The Clash Hype Man. I will back in effect. It's been a while. It's been a while. And like I'm not going to be a longer while to bomb buckle belt because I'm not like that. Right now we have a song called Mvrder Boy. Mvrder Boy, because I hear the teaser up on Instagram the other night. You understand me? Now originally, Panda, me remember specifically some this is Javelin upon the Bumbuckle belt artwork. I might put it on the screen somewhere. Boop. Yes, be the same. So I don't know why I'm not there so now. I want go on. Alright, I know what go on. So you may say man, what have Fari done? Mvrder Boy people. Me could see what go on. Me could hear who him at this. Me could see the name call. Remember Fari done song in a dog. Remember Fari done these people them call name, you know. You understand me? So me now go bother come run, come say yo. I just learn name of this again in the because me not think I gonna hear nobody name. Unless me hear name, I trouble. But reason when me call Burger name right now in the dog, I show me this Burger picture pan Instagram in the dog. You did me I say pan the flyer when me post a while ago put the screen in the dog. That's the reason why I say the name right now. Because so I go on man. You see way. We want clash though. We want clash. So I could see what I go. I'm not even talk too much in the dog. Run through here man.
Shango.
Top striker rhythm.
6.
Big up NGT same way.
Murder boy. No.
Think nobody dead yet? You think nobody dead yet? Yo, big up top striker rhythm today. Myself. Go check out the reaction do last time the see my name. What name? Young Chopper. Bad piece of blood clot song. Me nah lie. So figure go on.
No 7 no chattings, you see me?
Yeah.
Your team ties is simple.
What?
Yo,
The man
see
say me in the Bumbuckle chattings. Yo, team task, yo, Saint Paul, big up your Bumbuckle self right now. You did me I say, I Fari done say that. Go on.
6 to Bega.
Yeah.
You ready 6 there? You see me?
Was no bird the boy them yet, you know. People say if you watch the video right now, you like the video, you better like it now, you know, because boy, you get murdered right now, you know. Fari done go circle them hands right now, you know. I empty 6 shot to everybody head back right now, you know. So like the video before the shot them start fire. Go on!
I'm a murder boy.
Yeah.
When 6 step out place for this try.
Yeah.
Bullet a kick off his FIFA football.
That the man say murder boy when 6 step out boy yo. You feel so get kick off football. Fari done deal with it.
All a point a left brain in the sky, yeah. Murder boy. When
you know what? The man said I go left brain in the sky. You know hear what going on right now. Fari done I go murder some boy right now, you know. I'm gonna wait for them lyrics there and I come hear them party already, you know, so go on.
step out place for this try. Bullet a kick off his FIFA football. Them a 9x a left brain in the sky.
Them a 9x I left brain in the sky. Right? Now Fari done. You see every punchline, every verse they say, me I go class it out. So go on and talk to them right now because I'm ready. Ready for the road. Go on.
6 them ready for kill, ready for drill. 9x 19 left blood a spill, rapping a quick. Left boy family. From the 6.
I was going a while ago. I was going a while ago. You know, see me, I break down the lyrics them for the people and for here. And what you do with Tyrekevlogs, sir? No, do it. No, Bumbuckle, do it. You know what? Go on.
Me ready for kill, ready for drill. 9x19 left blood a spill, wrap in a quilt. Left
That now. 9x19 left blood a split, wrap in a quilt. You dead, you know? You're dead, you know? You get your body done. You wrap the man and wrap you up right now. People, your reaction says that. I remember that. Go on!
my family fi ball and mourn. Left them fi wonder who send him home. All when
The man, after the man done with you, no? After him done, me not say how you with my this, you know, bro, God. Me not call nobody name at all, you know? But after the dog done with you, no, brother. After him done with you, no? You left your family fi ball and mourn and wonder who send you home. And that the man say him I go do. Fari done. Deal with it.
me a stepping on me never left it. Touch it to win at the belly, me ready fi rev it. Squeeze pan in.
The dogs when he must step him never left it. The man have 32 in him belly, ever ready. Ever ready. Say if you see whatever they want this far, then you make a mistake right there, so because me ever strap. I ever have extra bullet too. Go on.
Next every man get it. No boy can push no type of badness to me. Sex is the code and the other.
No boy at all. None at all. Can't push no badness to Fari. No boy at all. The dog says 6 is the code. I don't know if after that works any other way. I dirt. Go on.
You're dirty, but 6 of the one him and the man said that first. Rifle a sing sweet, in him and a can.
You have to make sure now, say that your lyrics 6 is the code, you know. And if I say, yeah, we are dirty, you know, and Rebel 6 said that, I read the Rebel 6 post said that, you know. You see it? Yes, Fari, you're doing it the right way, party. You're doing it the right way. Deal with it. Me think that for Rebel 6. Go on!
30 AR love cough, the berry I love burp. Murder me, murder boy. And 6
Pause! What the BS6 like today? The man said the what? The AR love cough and the Berita love burp. Bumbleclad! Yo! The AR love cough. No rascal, see that? The AR love cough and the Berita love burp. The AR love cough and the Berita love burp. The AR love cough and the Berita love burp. People not here for to deal with it right now. Who not hear the lyrics of her now put forth in the years right now? Who not see some Fari Dan people? Murder boy! Bumbleclad! Yo! The AR love cough! And the Berita love burp! Me can't get over them lyrics right now, dad. I'm stuck. I'm stuck right here, so youth! Youth! Deal with it, yeah, man!
whole place for destroy. Bullet a kick off his FIFA football. Them a all a point, a left brain in a sky.
Murder boy. You know, I want to hear the chorus again in the dog. Because your chorus done shot already. You want to hear the next verse.
9x, a left brain in a sky. The 6 them ready for kill, ready for kill. Up in a quick up face. What?
Pause, alright. Part.
Fi ball and mourn. Left them wonder who send him home. You what?
Alright. So here comes the second verse. But after you left me with a burp, and you see me stand a cough line there, I don't think you can say nothing else for top them lyrics that we just put forth 2 years a while ago, no dog. Me not think so, no. But to see if you can do it, please do it. The Rasta boy, soon to be. If you're watching the video right now and you don't like the video right now. If you're watching the video right now and you don't like the video, like the video right now. Tear up the like button right now. Tear up the like button. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section right now. Spam the comment section with the fire emoji them right now. Run tune.
Off your tea like your yam cupcake forensic. I go find you with your wake up face. Walcott.
You have not eat like your yam cupcake friends. I go find you with your wake up face. People, you know somebody gonna edit that video the right way. People, look on the picture right there, so look on the picture there right there, so who that? Alright. That's all I want to say now, who that? Alright. Go on!
Mashwell and broke down place. Left doctor for take out shot out of your face, dog. You are no bad man.
Pause! People, look on the that picture up so right there, so who that? Who that? Me nah say 40 again. Tyreek, run the tune. Go on.
No gunman, yo, 6 done. The whole of them a pagan. You go fling enough shot in your place, enough back up.
People, look for the picture up so again. Who that? Me no call no name, me no dog. I think they're out there, they me see I say, right? Who that? Run tune!
6. Oh no, fi run go a station. Hey, murder boy. When 6 step, bullet a kick off his.
Oh, I think I'm going to say something at the end. Yo, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs aka the reaction boss. You don't know chap girl, you know. You see me I say. Sadly, the video has ended. You don't know a chap already. You don't know so when the video done. I murder boy. Your reaction says a lot, you know, bro. God, Tyrekevlogs here. General long time. Big up your bumble class self. You know done. Yo, good sex, good love, good relationship. She's my world. Yo, peace out. This has been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Subscribe for new. Road to 30K is real.